Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with new videos. So yes, I was actually not shooting any videos. I took a break for 15 days which extended to around a month, so I'm really sorry about that, but it's totally fine. I really took off for some reason, so I'll obviously update you guys about everything in this video. So today we'll do a quick chit chat, get ready with me, and I'll do just like simple makeup and let you know guys where I was and why I wasn't like uploading any videos. I had actually told you in my last video why I was taking a break, but it extended for a few more days, so I'll just let you know all about that also. But now I am actually back with new videos and I'm really glad to be putting on some makeup. It's been a month since I haven't like done any makeup. Trust me, no makeup for a month. I think more than a month, maybe, because I think more than a month, but I haven't like done any makeup till now and I feel good. And I was breaking a lot. I'll tell you the reason also, but I was breaking a lot, so I didn't want to actually put more things on my face. I usually like don't break out a lot, just random one, two maybe, alhamdulillah. But anyways, let's just start with the video. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, hauls, sometimes even vlogs. So if you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description. If you want, you can check it out. And yeah, let's start with the video. So I've already like curled my hair because I don't want to actually do that in the video because it takes a lot of time, and I did something to my brows because it looks like bald on the camera, so it doesn't actually look good. So I just filled in using the Tattoo Brow Artist from L'Oreal. I really like it because it gives like a natural microbladed finish. That's why it's actually so good, and I'm actually using the products which I haven't used since a very long time. I mean, I just forgot that I have it in my collection because I was trying so many new things, honestly so many new things, that I just forgot about this. So whatever I'm using, I'll put in the description, so if you are interested, you can obviously check the products in the description. Everything is always like written in the description. And I'm sorry if you can hear like anything, I really can't help it. I am saying this in every damn video, but I simply can't help it. So I've already moisturized my face, so I'm not gonna do that again, and I'm just going to use the foundation, which is the Makeup Forever Reboot, because I haven't used it in a very long time. So I thought today is like a good day to use it because it's been quite long since I haven't used this foundation. So I took the break for around like maybe 2 weeks. I had said that I'm gonna be back on track after that. I mean, I was uploading like crazy during the month of December, but I wanted to take a break because then I wouldn't actually get time to take break, because I usually like don't take breaks all the time, and not during the start of the year. I took a break for like 2 weeks. And by the way guys, I'm really sorry, I wanted to ask you, but how are you guys? It's been way too long. What have you done for like New Year? I mean, it's already like Feb, but I'm just back, so I'm just asking you now. I mean, my New Year was like, we went just to watch like the fireworks, and then we became back. I mean, just we just went to see the fireworks, we came back, and then we were like awake. I don't know, for some reason we were like awake till morning, and on the 1st of Jan we slept like till evening, like till around 5. I mean, the start of the year was like so sleepy and so lazy, and since then I am so lazy. I mean, me and my hubby, we both are like so lazy, and I feel so lazy to put on some makeup and shoot some videos. I have actually been trying to film videos since a week, but whenever I feel like sitting and doing my makeup, I I get so bored, I feel so sleepy. I mean, it's I don't know, but it's I'm very sleepy. And I mean, I'm very sleepy. I like to sleep a lot, but I mean, I just didn't feel like shooting any videos. And I actually started with my laser hair removal, hair reduction, not hair removal in the sense, it's like hair reduction. So I started that. So it was my first appointment was around like, I think I had actually booked for the first week of Jan, but for some reason, I'm not sure for what, but I actually then scheduled it for like the third week. So I went on 21st for my first session, and it was actually really good. I mean, I did for my face, for my hands, my legs, and underarms. I mean, like full body. I mean, my pain threshold is like very high. I mean, very high. But I mean, the entire body, it didn't actually hurt even slightly. But on my legs, on the front part of my legs, wherever there is like bone, like very close to your skin, I mean, there is not like enough muscles there, it really hurts a lot. I mean, a lot, seriously a lot. So I mean, I was done with the first session, and then I was advised not to use like hot water, or you shouldn't be taking like hot bath or such. Just use like cold water for bath, and there should be like no redness. I didn't actually like get any redness just for maybe 1 or 2 hours, and I didn't get any redness, so it was like good enough. The next day I went in the evening for I think like 6:30 p.m. My appointment was for like 6:30 p.m. so I went for that appointment, and it took me almost, it was my first session, so it took me almost like 2 hours for my full body. My next appointment is actually on next week. Yeah, I'm excited about that, and I really enjoyed the session, no doubt. It was actually so good. It was not painful at all. Just the legs was, I mean, it was hurting just a little bit, not a lot, but other than that it was actually really good. The person who was doing my laser was also really good. Every time she was starting with the process, she was asking me whether it is like hurting me or not. So that was actually really good and very thoughtful of her. And after like 3 days, not even actually like after 3 days, from the second or third day I was breaking a lot on my face. Somehow I don't know, but I think you usually like there's like some breakout on your face. So it was actually like going on for about like maybe a week, and now it's like much better, but still sometimes I get like a small like bump on my face, and I didn't actually want to put makeup on that, so I delayed shooting my videos. But even after that I somehow didn't feel like shooting any video, so I was actually not, and I was doing a lot of work on my laptop for some other work, was busy with that also. So far so good, and I mean my skin has got much more drier. I think because of that my face was very dry, and my legs was like very itchy. It was so itchy. It's like dry, I have a dry skin, but I think after that it got much drier. I was using like body butter, so it was making it much more better and not itchy at all. So I'm really looking forward for my second session. Because advised me like 6 sessions are like a must, and after that they will actually guide you when do I need to take the next session. So let's see, when I am done with my entire sessions I'll obviously update you about that. But I mean, not a single hair has grown yet on my face. On my hands just a little bit, just a little bit, but let's see. She told me after like 14 days your hairs will like start falling off automatically, so I think that's what is happening. But on my face I really can't actually see like any hairs, so that's actually so good. They actually like don't do like hair laser like here, because it's like very near to your eyes, so it's like kind of dangerous. So she just did the laser like on top of my brows and not here. That is not actually recommended, so she actually didn't do that. So that is actually for my base, and it is honestly looking so good, pretty good. using the both the things after so long. Now I'm just quickly going to set my under eyes, and I really don't know why I start with my foundation when I actually have to do like my eyes first. And honestly, during the break time I was actually enjoying a lot of series on Netflix, and usually like Korean. I enjoy Korean series, they are actually pretty good. I enjoy those. And we started the series Vikings, and I mean it was never ending. The 6th season was kind of like boring. It was interesting, I think, till maybe the 4th season or till the 3rd season, but after that it was kind of like way too boring, and it has like so much of violence. Oh my god, I was watching like that. It was actually not good, but I mean it was a good, I mean it's a good series, but I think the 5th and the 6th season they dragged it like too much, but it was an interesting one. Then I think I watched the new season, new series, which was The Faith, but which has like 6 episodes. That was also like quite good, not that interesting, but it was like quite good, but it has only like 6 episodes, so I'm not sure whether they are going to add like more episodes or they are going to do like a next season. And I'm actually waiting for Lucifer, but I don't think they are gonna release it soon. They are actually testing everybody's patience. And honestly, since New Year I haven't left my house, just for like groceries, and that's all. I haven't been like to any place. I mean the cases are rising here now again. Even during the DSF I actually didn't even go even once, and I didn't actually shop anything other than makeup. First time. I don't know, somehow I didn't actually feel like getting anything, so I think maybe like I got like 2 joggers and 1 dress from Namshi, and honestly that is all that I got, because I wanted to have some good joggers from Misguided, so I ordered like 2 because there was some good deal, buy one get one, so I ordered those 2 things, and actually that's all. And I have like a bunch of makeup that I need to do like a haul. Okay, now the laser thing is done, so I just want to like update you, because actually wanted to do like laser since I think maybe a year. I actually didn't know like where to go and do, because I mean there are some places where they have like I mean they are expensive, I mean way too expensive. I mean hearing the price also you won't ever do that. But the place where I am going, my friend actually started doing laser there, and she said that they have like really good deals there, they have like really good packages there. So I went and started doing my laser, so her experience was good. That is why I went ahead with it, because I actually didn't know which was the exact place to do. So I just know like the Kaya one, but that is like way too expensive. I can't really like put that much money in that laser thing, but I mean they are like way too expensive. But the one which I am going, whenever I am done, I will obviously update you about that and I'll let you know. So that was actually pretty good. Now going on to makeup, and now going on to my face. Now I think firstly I'll quickly do something to my eyes, and then we'll continue with the face makeup. I'm just going to do one simple eye look. I don't want to do anything else, because I just wanted to quickly come here and update you. So I have to do like more 2 videos after this. Now going on to makeup, there are so many new releases, and I mean things are honestly not like releasing here. I seriously don't know why. I ordered the new Maybelline lip glosses from Beauty Bay. Got I think 5 or 4 shades. They have like I think 7 or 8 shades, but I just got 5 shades because they were getting out of stock, and I didn't want to get like so many lip glosses. I have like so many lip glosses, so I just got like 5. And the new mascara from Maybelline, the Sky High mascara, putting like a bronzer in my crease, that is like out of stock on Beauty Bay since it released, and it is nowhere to be found here in UAE. So I am not sure when it is going to release here. I every day I check Beauty Bay, Lifestyle, Centerpoint, 6th Street, Namshi, everywhere I check, but I mean it's not yet available here. so I'm not sure when it is going to be available. And then going on to the Urban Decay, the new tinted hydrator, I am so excited to try that, but I am not sure when it is going to release on Sephora. And the new Natasha Denona mini love story, that is actually I think for Valentine's Day, but it was supposed to release on 28th or 29th of Jan in store, not in store, in online, but not yet available online, and on in store on 7th. But I didn't actually go to the store, they don't even have it online, so I'm not sure when they are going to release them, because on Natasha Denona's Instagram she had said when it is going to be available in Sephora Middle East, on Sephora Middle East, but it's still not available. So I'm not sure whether it is going to be available, because it's for Valentine's Day, and it is, and I mean this weekend, I think Saturday is like the Valentine's Day, and it's nowhere to be like released. So I'm not sure when they are going to. I had thought that today I will be doing, if I could like get the mini story collection, mini love story collection, I would do a review and on that, so it would be up for like the Valentine's Day, but I'm not sure when it is going to be available. And I hate going to Sephora, seriously. I don't know why, but I really don't like to go to the store. I prefer shopping online. Anyways, I have like a couple of things, new things, and I had ordered during Black Friday sale from Colourpop, and I got it almost after a month, I think, because of, I think even, I'm not sure on which date, but I think I got it before New Year or after New Year, I'm not sure, but I think it took almost a month to get delivered here. And actually my sister-in-law, she has gone to India, so I have ordered a lot of things from K Beauty as well as Elf, because Elf has released on Nykaa, and here Elf is like available on Glamazil, but not a lot of things are like available, not a lot of new things. So I have ordered from Nykaa, so whenever she will come back here, she will get it for me. And a lot of things from K Beauty, because I wanted to try a lot of things. I mean, I wanted to try like different brands. I'm just putting the bronzer only in my lower lash line, because I want to do just a simple makeup look. And now even Milani is like available, I think in Debenhams or Harvey Nicholas, I'm not sure, but I think Debenhams in store, and online also they have like they are available on Lifestyle, so I'm really excited about that. And I ordered a bunch of new things from LA Girl, from Maybelline, and from Colourpop. I have like a lot of things like to do a full face, so let's see, we'll be trying out that. I'm just going to take Natasha Denona. This actually eyeshadow like fell from my hand one day, and I thought it didn't break, but it actually broke. I'm actually going to use the Natasha Denona mini glam palette, and I'm going to use the lightest shade, shimmery shade, I'm not sure the name, Golden Flesh or Fave, I'm not sure, but I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put it on my lids. I have to do like Valentine's Day look. I haven't actually planned anything this week. Maybe on Thursday I'll upload a video for Valentine's Day for Instagram, and for YouTube I'll have different looks, so that will be uploaded by Thursday. I'm just going to use this brush and use the deeper shade and just like put it in the outer corner just a little bit. Actually, after doing the laser, I broke up, I mean the light got like weird, but I mean I broke up like more around here, I don't know somehow, but I was breaking a lot around here, around my face, so I'm not sure why that happened, but maybe it is like a sensitive area around like the upper lips and your chin area, that is why, I'm not sure, but it did happen a lot. Now for blush, I'm going to use the Milani blush because it's my favorite. I'm just going to use this on the apples of my cheek. I mean, I love doing makeup, I love makeup, and I love shooting the videos, but I'm somehow I was kind of feeling very lazy. But once you start like shooting videos, then you don't feel anything, then you just want to film new videos. I'm really sorry, even for like chit chat, I really sometimes don't have a lot to say, but I mean, that's the way I am. I usually don't like talk a lot, so I'm really sorry about that. Now I'm just quickly going to just set my face. I have to actually use a bronzer. I totally forgot about that. So I'm taking the baked blush, and this was the color that I was using in my crease. So this is like a nice baked bronzer from Makeup Revolution, nice and bronzed. Now I'm quickly just going to set my face really quickly. Now for my face, I'm actually going to use, I don't know why I'm looking like too bronzed, but I'm going to use this palette from Too Faced, and I haven't used it since I think months. I'm just going to use the soft focus powder, and I'm just going to use it under my eyes. It gives you like a blur effect, and you can like clean your blushes if it's like very close to your nose. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this one, the shade Glow, because it is a little bit too light for me. I mean, you see like a gray cast on my skin, which I don't like. I thought this would be like good enough for me, but it's like way too light. I'm just going to put the Maybelline gel liner into my waterline, and I'm not going to use like false lashes. I'm going to use like a mascara. Someday I really, when I'm doing like simple makeup, I don't feel like putting lashes. Obviously lashes will take this look to another level, but still I don't feel like. Now I'm just quickly going to use the mascara, which is the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, one of my favorite, but I think it's over and it has to go now because it's almost been like 6 months, more than 6 months. So I ordered like a new one, but I actually didn't get like the waterproof one. Use this mascara and don't mind my expression and the face that I make. Just going to use this in my lower lash line as well. So that is for mascara, and I'll just let this dry, and then I'll use a brush to just like remove it. I'm just going to use like a lighter shade to put it in my inner corners, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. I think for lips I have like two lipstick which I want to use. So first is this color, maybe this, or I think this one. It smells so good. Let's see. First I will actually try this one. This is the Makeup Forever Blur lipsticks, and this is in the shade 304 Stylish Lychee. Obviously it's lychee, it is not lychee. Let's see. And this lipstick has like amazing shade range. I think like 100 or 50 or 60, but the shade range is like so good. But I think I'll just use like the Huda Beauty lip balm, and it's actually pretty good. That's good enough. I'm going to do one important step, and which is like wipe this down so that the color doesn't go inside my lip balm, and I don't like to stain the applicator. This is pretty good. So that is pretty much for my makeup, simple makeup. And I just quickly wanted to update you about few things. Honestly, I didn't even talk a lot, but it's been an hour since I'm talking. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. If you want to, if you are interested in watching my videos, please do that, and do share it with your friends and family if you are interested. And new videos will be coming up soon. Hauls, tutorials, reviews, eyeshadow tutorials, everything will be coming up soon. New haul videos will also be coming up soon. So if you want to, and if you are interested in watching those videos, please do subscribe. And that is all for today's video. Kind of boring chit chat, get ready with me, but anyways, I'm kind of boring person, so you have to deal with that. Anyways, this was actually all, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.